Are you tired of the endless struggle to make money online? What if there was a simpler, faster way to create income streams without the hassle? EscapePlan IS1 promises to be the solution, offering a streamlined approach to building online income efficiently. Designed for beginners and experienced marketers alike, this program claims to eliminate the complexities of online earning. With step-by-step training and proven strategies, EscapePlan IS1 aims to guide you from start to finish with ease. The creators emphasize quick results, making it an attractive option for those eager to see immediate progress. But what exactly does EscapePlan IS1 offer? Detailed guidance, automation tools, and a beginner-friendly approach are just the beginning. The sales page is professional and enticing, and the promise of simplicity and speed sets it apart from other products in the market. Many user testimonials suggest success. Ready to start your journey to online income? Discover the potential of EscapePlan IS1 and kickstart your success today. Look for the link below to watch the free video.